All right, so a brief overview on eAutomate integration with Printerpoint. Head to the My Account section in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see the eAutomate tab down in the lower left. First, enter your eAutomate ESN number into the Dealer ID field. If you don't know it, just contact ECI support. You'll also need them to enable Printerpoint access to your ESN. There's no cost associated with that, and they usually get back to you real quickly. For credentials, you can use your own eAutomate username and password, or create a specific user in eAutomate for Printerpoint. There are a few permissions that this user is going to need, like creating sales quotes, viewing items, and viewing customers. For the database, if you leave it blank, we will use your default database, or if you have a test database, you can put that here and we'll use it instead. Now, down below are the two integrations we offer: meter read integration and supply order integration. So let's move to billing by clicking the billing workflow tab at the top, and from there finding the eAutomate icon out to the far right. On this page, you do configurations for integrating Printerpoint into eAutomate. And the way that is done is, you can see here on the left side is the meter name that we get from the printer. And on the right side is an actual live connection to your eAutomate database, and it's a list of the meter types you have configured in eAutomate. And it's just a mapping exercise between what do you call it at your company and what does the manufacturer call it. So once you have mapped, for instance in this example, HP mono lines to your meter type of mono CAD, we are ready to push any meter read using the HP mono lines over to eAutomate as mono CAD quantities. From there, if you'd like to test it, you can certainly hit the Send Meters Now button, and any printer with a proper asset ID and a configured meter type will post successfully. And if you like what you see and you would like to automate it, you can simply click this button. And what that does is it tells Printerpoint to go to your eAutomate instance each night at midnight and ask for a list of asset IDs for which billing is due. So we're only pushing the meters for those printers that are due for billing. And this keeps chatter to a minimum and avoids excess data inside of your eAutomate database. Lastly, there is a history tab, and here you can obviously see any previous meter pushes, whether they were done manually with that test button or automatically in the evenings, as well as anything that failed during those transactions will be listed here with some helpful information about why it might have failed. Well, I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions at all, just shoot us an email and we'll be in touch to help out.